Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing a clay bear mystery bag thing. Not really sure what it is, but
it's got like 4 different prints in it.
What do you get?
You get 2 leggings and 2 rompers, but it's 4 different prints that they're not releasing.
They're not?
No. So this is the only way you can get them. I've been so excited.
Show the packaging.
Look at it, isn't it nice?
So you get a clay bear bag thing.
They're all protected in that. Right, we'll do one at a time.
Yeah.
So we just lucky dip out the bag. I'm not looking.
Why are you not looking?
I don't want to. I'm just gonna... No.
The only thing I want out of this is the ducks. Do they do a ducks?
Yeah.
I want the ducks.
Right.
That's the only thing I want.
First thing. Oh,
What's
it's
that
a
one?
romper.
What's on it?
Look at it.
What's that?
Rocket one. It's got a badger and a fox.
Oh.
That's cute, that.
What size is that? Oh, it's massive.
Next. Oh,
Oh, no ducks yet.
no.
What's on that?
Um,
Is that a mouse?
that's the wrong size.
That's a mouse. How do you know?
There's 3 to 6 on it.
What did you order? That's 3 to 6 as well, isn't it?
I don't know.
That's definitely 3. What did you
It
order?
looks quite big for 0 to 3. Oh no, that is 0 to 3.
How's that 0 to, why does it say 3 to 6 then?
I don't know.
So that's the second one. How many did you get?
You get 2
2 of each.
2 rompers and 2
Oh,
leggings.
what's next? Damn it.
Oh,
What's that, a fox? So I like
Yeah.
them. They're nice.
they're cute.
But
Last
they're not
but not
ducks then.
least. Oh, no duckies.
At least we've got this duck. What's that?
Dino.
Dinosaur ones.
So
Like
we've
that.
got Dino rainbow leggings. We've
Is that the
got
one Chanel got?
in the romper she did, yeah.
Oh.
We got the
Some fox thing. Is that a fox?
I think it's
That's
some like dreams thing. Or
Is that a
something.
fox or a squirrel?
Yeah, I think that's
That's,
a fox.
yeah,
I think.
it's a fox. It's either a fox or a squirrel.
They're the leggings, and then that romper, and that one. So,
Nice.
yes, not bad. They're really good quality as well.
We've got a load of other stuff from this place, Clay Bear.
Yes, we'll do
So
another
we'll-
video that'll follow.
Maybe after this, so you'll
After.
see it. And
But
then we
this
also got
is
this
good quality.
mat thing. I'll show you that in a minute.
Yeah.
I'll show you the room. So I'll put the room tour in this video as
Check them
well.
out.
So we're going to do a haul of what we bought from Clay Bear, because she likes it. First we bought this thing. This changing mat thing. So I'll pick that one, I like that.
It just goes well in
Nice.
the room.
Yeah, I think so. First we got some
Safari print.
leggings.
Yes.
Leggings.
These are in 0 to 3 months. The quality is so good on them as well. Obviously you can see they're lower down because the room for the nappy.
So next we have some, is that a koala?
Yeah, the koala in the same size and style.
What's this thing?
These are bodysuits, so these are to, like, obviously wear them with leggings or under the rompers because I like this colour to go with the koala one. So that's cute, but again these are they're 95% cotton, so organic cotton, and they're just such good quality.
What's spandex? 5% spandex. Whatever that is.
Elastane, yeah.
Is this the same thing?
So I got it in mint, I got it in navy,
And one in grey.
and grey as well.
What else we got? What's this?
So this is a sleep suit. This one I got off someone on the official Clay Bear group, like selling group. It was new without tags, the newborn one, and it makes it so much easier.
Oh, that's it?
It's got a zip.
That's what I want. Nice and easy.
But I love the pattern that's on it. So cute. And again, the quality
Sure.
stinks. But the quality is really good, and it's got built-in scratch mitts as well.
And we got a
Makes
Clay
it
Bear
better.
cap. We got this on the sale. £10.
Folds over on the feet as well. So, that one.
Got this thing.
So I bought these because these are on the imperfection bit, which means that basically it could be the print or the tag or something's just slightly off with them. But I didn't really read it when it says that it's a muslin swaddle.
It's massive.
And
What are you meant to do with this thing?
it's huge.
What?
So I bought 2 of them.
What's this for though?
It's not going to be my gift, so
We're going to give Chanel one.
yeah. So that's yours, Chanel.
I've got to fold it now.
But this one's I've got the Lion Cub one.
So that one's nice. That. And we also got this from Clay Bear as well. A black edition cat.
Minx.
What else we got? You folded that.
Not yet.
I like this one.
So out of all the prints that like the main prints they do, the koala has been my favourite one. So that's why I've got a lot of stuff in the koala. That'll do.
So we got a is it a comforter?
Yeah.
A little mini one. Really soft. Yeah, it is really soft.
So soft.
Love it.
Grey fur back. So yeah, koala print, like I said, my favourite one, so I went with that.
Oh, we also got a bigger one.
So this one's the blanket.
And this one's
Be good for
the
everything.
The pram thing.
Yeah, for the pram going out.
Nice and soft.
Yeah, again, it's such good quality, and they do these, which I'm really tempted to have for myself in a large one.
Large one. What,
Yeah.
same colour?
Yeah,
I like the other one. The green one.
but it's such good quality.
Got a... Well, you can unbox it. This is the best thing we got. It's so like handy.
The bags that they come in as well, oh, they're so good. So, thanks to Chanel. The only reason we've got all of this is because of Chanel. The changing bag. Now, oh my god, it is worth the price you pay for it. So it's got the wipes bit on the side where you've got the gap.
That's the best
You
bit.
don't need to keep taking the pack in and out. You've got this pocket on the side that you can fit nappies in. You've got the zips pocket on the back. You've got this bit at the back as well for more storage.
Plenty
You get
of pockets.
the pram straps with it as well, so it's universal.
Nice and handy.
Again, pockets.
What's that pocket for?
And just fit
That looks like a
whatever
glasses
in.
pocket.
More pockets, and then inside this one, you've got the insulated pockets for
For the bottles, keep them nice and warm.
and then in with this you get, like I said, you get the pram straps, also a little travel changing mat that goes in the bag, just easy to have with you. But then once you open it up, you can see how big, and there's just so much room inside of that. You can fit everything in there that you need, so it is definitely
Nice.
worth the money which you pay.
We're gonna do a like a close up of everything we got, which will be at the end of this video. I'll give you a little room tour so you can see it because we just finished
That's not
it.
everything.
That what do you mean that's not everything?
Them two.
Oh, there's 2 more. I'm getting ahead. But yeah, I'm gonna do a room tour because we just finished the room, so I thought I'd show it off.
So I got 2 of these. One of them is newborn and one's 0 to 3 because I want it bigger.
Why did you get them both?
Romper. Because I wanted one for when he was bigger.
So she got 2.
Excuse
Is that
me.
it?
Yeah, so we got quite a lot from there actually.
Yeah. I think you also got everything. That's a
I
lot of
love
stuff.
that.
So yeah, plenty of stuff from Clay Bear.
Yes.
Never heard of it
again,
until
Chanel.
now. So yeah, gonna give you a little room tour and then like a close up of everything we got so you can see it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
So now I'm going to do a room tour. So that's when you open the door. That's what it looks like. We painted this wall blue. We put some data rail on the wall and some clouds. Thought it looked quite nice. So that's that. Built this cot. I think it's just an IKEA cot. Got that. I'm going to shut the door so the cats don't get in. Got a little bouncer thing from Courtney's grandma and granddad. So that's that. I made these drawers, which to be fair, really smooth, on Java box systems. All the wipes there, nappies and that in there, and this is like the top for the changing thing. Again, made by me, nice and custom, very handy. This is the wardrobe, also made by me. I don't know what Buzz is doing there, but yeah, we move. So yeah, gloss white, put some nice little feet on it, nice and handy. Woody. This is the inside. I don't know if I can get a good angle for you. So we've got some little box spaces there, pretty handy. Yeah, clothes rail up there. They're the bottles we got, steriliser. Yeah. Plenty of things in there. And of course, got our Leggings flag up, of course.